Let's turn to Taraba State, where the Federal High Court in Jalingo has reserved judgment in the case challenging the appointment of Abubakar Bawa as chairman of the People's Democratic Party in the state. The National Working Committee of the party appointed Mr. Bawa as substantive state chairman following the vacuum created by the resignation of AgbuKefas as the party chairman. Correspondent Owolabi Adenose filed in this report.
These are PDP support groups in Taraba State, marching from Federal High Court to the party state secretariat to show solidarity with Abubakar. PDP in the state has become enmeshed in a leadership crisis barely few weeks to the swearing-in of Governor-elect Kefas Abu. This has polarized the stakeholders. Speaking for the group, Mr. Usman Africanos declared support for Mr. Abubakar for the part he played in securing victory for the party at the last general election, noting that no reasonable person changes a winning horse while the game is on.
Abubakar started from a humble beginning within the party secretariat. One, as a mobilizing secretary or director. Two, as a publicity secretary. Three, as a deputy chairman of the PDP. So as such, the quality of leadership have seen by all as sundry, and the stakeholders are really around him.
The former Algon chairman, who spoke on behalf of other stakeholders, argued that leadership should come from people. He noted that the stakeholders are the one that put Abubakar Bawa in office after due consultation. He remains the preferred candidate to ensure survival of PDP in the state.
The People's Democratic Party in Taraba State have agreed collectively that Alhaji Abubakar Bawa is going to be the chairman of the party. I want to know that political party leaders are determined by the people and not by the court.
The lawyer to Abubakar, Dambabana, so however faulted the process that brought Mr. Bawa to office, noting that due process was not duly followed according to PDP constitution.
The virtue of the PDP constitution, the National Working Committee lacks the violence, the power to appoint a substantive chairman in Taraba State. It's only the State Working Committee of the party that has such powers.
The party's former acting chairman, Abubakar, had approached Jalingo High Court to challenge the process that brought in Abubakar Bawa as party chairman, as well as prayed the court to declare him chairman. Now that Justice Bala Usman of the Federal High Court has adjourned judgment, the political pundits in the state believe that it behoves on the governor-elect Kefas Abu to resolve the leadership crisis in the party before it escalates.
And away from politics, the Nigerian